Damihi animas teratole, give me souls, take away the rest. Father Jen po, STB. We are now in the 6th Sunday of Easter. At kung babalikan po natin ang mga nakaraang linggo at ang mga pahiwatig ng ating Panginoon sa ating lahat, pinapakita po dito that God is really wanting to have a connection with us. And that connection is symbolizing God really wish to have a relationship with each and every one of us. Nais niya maging parte ng ating buhay. He is really willing to do everything so that He will be part of our life. Why? Because of love. Dahil mahal niya tayo. Walang kagustuhan ng Panginoon kundi ang ating kabutihan. No? Ito ang pag-ibig ng ating Panginoon sa ating lahat. He is trying to give Himself to us because He know, katulad po last week, no, we cannot do anything without Him. And now, because of His love, He wished to be part of our life because He knows, kung kasama natin siya, our joy will be complete. Ito po'y pinapakita sa ating Ebanghelyo, no? Taken from the Gospel of John chapter 15 verse 9 to 17. Remain in me that I may remain in you. Why? Because I am love. Ang pag-ibig ay ating Panginoon. And He wished to remain in us because of love. No? Normal po sa ating mga tao that we keep on looking for joy, for happiness, for love. And that is what the Lord is offering to each and every one of us. Siya na ang sagot sa ating mga hinahanap. God will provide us everything. If God is with us, our joy is complete. Kung kaya nga po sinasabi ng ating Panginoon, remain in me. Pero ang tanong, how are we going to show that we have chosen to remain in Him? Sinagot po ng ating Panginoon ito, if you follow my commandments, I will remain in you. And what is the commandment of God? Jesus said in our gospel, this is my commandment. Love one another as I have loved you. Ang tanong po ulit is, paano ba yung pag-ibig ng ating Panginoon? Pinapakita po ito sa unang pagbasa at ikalawang pagbasa. No? The second reading is really answering a wonderful way of ano ang pag-ibig ng Diyos. For God so loved the world, He gave us His only Son. God died for each and every one of us. He was crucified, but nabuhay siya muli pagkat mahal niya tayong lahat. Ginawa ng Panginoon ang lahat na ito to show us how much He loved us. But katulad po na sinabi ng ating Panginoon sa ating Ebanghelyo, you will show that you have chosen to remain in me if you will follow my commandment. And this is my commandment. Love one another as I have loved you. Ano pong ibig sabihin nito? Mahalin natin ang isa't isa. Patawarin natin ang isa't isa tulad ng pagmamahal ng ating Panginoon. He has forgiven our sins. Pinatawad niya tayo. And He has given His life for us. Are we willing to give our life, our service, everything that we can do for the good of our brothers and sisters? Ito po ang panawagan ng ating celebration ngayon. Remain in the love of God because by remaining in His love, our joy will be complete. And how are we going to remain in the love of God? By following His commandment. And His commandment is, love one another. And that love means willingness to serve and to sacrifice for the good of others. So that our Salmong Tugunan taken from Psalm 98 will summarize everything. The Lord has revealed to the nation His saving power. Through us, others will see the love and the compassion and the mercy of God. And if we do that, we are being connected with the mission of Jesus. And if we are connected with Him, ito po yung sinasabi niya, we have a great relationship with Him. No, konektado tayo sa Kanya as He is connected with the Father. Therefore, we have everything and our joy is complete. So my dear friends, once again, the cry, the challenge is very clear. Remain in the love of God. Remaining means following His commandments, and that is to love one another. Once again, my dear friends, God bless us all.